Water is coming from the upper side, and the sound of the water is very enjoyable, and the water is very clean. As you can see, it's very clean. After coming here, I met two Rohingyas. They are working here. uh, they told me that they have come here for 15 days and they will return to their camp, and I have asked them so many questions that why they are here. Actually, they answered me that they are here because they have no enough food in their camp and they need money. And whenever I ask him how old is he tells me that he is 26 years, but I don't believe it because his age resembles uh, 30 or 35. Look at behind me. Do you know the bird's name? I think as you cannot see, so you cannot guess. Can you guess what is the name of the bird? Yeah, this bird name is crow. Actually, in our village, there is no existence of crow, but here a lot of crow, as you can see, and they are cawing. That means singing.